Milk pudding with mango, Mihulibeya Bel Manga. A dessert from Saudi Arabia. Serves You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Put the mango juice in a pan over medium heat and bring to a boil. Mix half the cornstarch and half a cup of water. Pour this into the boiling mango juice, stirring constantly until thick. Step 2. Pour contents of the pan into a deep dish. Add half the amount of mixed fruit. Set aside to cool and thicken. Spread half the cream on top of the cooled fruit mixture and put the dish in the refrigerator. Step 3. Put the milk in a pan over low heat, add the sugar and rose water and stir until almost boiling. Step 4. Mix the remaining cornstarch in half a cup of water, pour into the milk, stirring constantly until thick. Remove from the heat and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Step 5. Take the dish of fruit from the refrigerator, slowly pour the milk over the cream, and allow to cool at room temperature for 1 hour. Place the dish in the freezer for a short time. Step 6. Remove from the freezer, cover with the remaining cream and decorate with the remaining fruit and ground pistachios. Step 7. Serve cold. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.